Hello everyone, my name is Tim. I'm a recent college graduate from the University of Economics in Prague, Czech Republic, and I'm excited to share with you guys how to use your Advantage learning system. First things first, it consists of a Core 4, which covers Math 1 and 2, Science, Social Studies, and Language Arts, and Topic Source and Honors books. Plus, it goes with a suite of apps and websites. We're going to talk about those in a little bit. But I would love to start with the Core 4. I'm going to introduce it through the Math 1 and Math 2 books because the rest of them, Science and Social Studies, actually work exactly the same way. The reason why they're actually called Core 4 is because they cover all the core subjects that kids have in school all the way through the end of high school. So math books, as you can see, are divided into Math 1 and Math 2 for the very simple reason math is the biggest subject. Basically, it covers everything from foundations of math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all the way through calculus and trigonometry and stats and so on. All of the Core 4 books have the color coding. You can either open it in the very back, and you can see the color code right here, or you can open it in the front, and you can see the same color code here, which explains to you how to navigate your books very simply. So here we have all the contents in the Math 1 book. For example, if we're talking about numbers and operation, we would see the olive green color at the top, and we would see the little topics right here with different colors. Where would I find those? Very simple. In the bottom of the page, as you can see here, they're divided by the colors. I'm going to open the very first page of the olive green, which will have the numbers and operations part of the book right here. So technically, if we look at it, this is my numbers and operations book within my Core 4 set. How to find anything within the numbers and operations book? It's right here at the top. We're going to have another color code. So let's say if we're working on fractions and mixed numbers, it's a light green color, or page 300. So if I like the colors, I would go to the colors. I would open the very first page of it, and it's going to tell me exactly where to find different problems on the fractions and mixed numbers topic. So let's see. Let's take a look right here. If we're looking at equivalent fractions, we're going to go to page 308 to 311. And as we will see, we're going to have a ton of examples on this topic. What's really cool is that all of the examples are going to go from the very, very simple ones, slightly going harder and harder and harder and way harder ones. And what's really cool, all of them are broken down in different methods so that kids and parents can both understand the subject and topic and explain it. And what's really, really cool is that all of the problems are actually broken down step by step by step by step by step in a very simple explanation of every single step. What's really cool is that the math books are all equipped with the boxes called Try It This Way, Got to Know, More Help, and Search, where the kids can figure out how to actually have some quicker way to solve the problem and how to actually get to the solution of the problem a lot quicker and easier. What's unique about the Southwestern Advantage learning system is that wherever kids are stuck or whatever you are not understanding about this explanation, they can simply hop on the Southwestern Global Academy website or Advantage for Teens website and app. They can put the page number in there and they will see a teacher explaining the same problem here in a very easy step-by-step-by-step format.
Hi, my name is David. Welcome to our Southwestern Advantage math tutorial. Today we'll be doing a question on fractions in Book 1. First, let's take a look at the question.
So basically, kids will have more than 4,000 videos. They're also going with a lot of quizzes and worksheets and something to help kids gain confidence before the test coming up in school or simply finishing up the homework. So this is the math set. And the same way, like I said, it would work for your science book and your social studies and language arts book. Next one we have here is the topic source book. Essentially, it's a set of 60 topics on animals, history, people, places, science, and words, with additional 35 topics on a DVD going with the book or AdvantageTopicSource.com website. What that is, Topic Source is basically everything the high schooler needs to write a successful research paper on those above mentioned topics. What's really cool is, let's say if we're talking about Christopher Columbus, of course, as a people section, instead of going to the library and piling up with the books or doing a lot of extensive research on the internet, kids have the hot topic section. So after every single little fire icon, all the way throughout the topic, they would find essential information that actually needs to be included in their research paper. What's also really helpful and handy about that is that it goes with the MLA citation so that kids can have the official resource at hand. If they want to go into deeper research, they can have books to read, websites to go, and search strings in the additional resources section. What's really cool is that on AdvantageTopicSource.com or the DVD that goes with the book, kids can find exact ways on how to actually make a successful and right MLA citation. So that's pretty cool. Pretty much everything a high schooler needs to do all the research paper that are necessary for graduation. Moving on to the last guy, this is the honors part of our Advantage system, basically covering most taken and most frequently taken AP classes, going with the practice exams. Here's the list of what it actually will cover. Plus, again, it gives kids customized study schedules where they can literally organize their time and they can make it self-paced prep. Because again, if they're taking AP classes, they're probably busy with a lot of stuff, so it basically helps them organize their time on their own. What's really cool is that we're utilizing McGraw-Hill's 5 steps to a 5 system just because it's the best out there in the AP prep. What's really awesome is that it basically gives kids like I said, a self-paced, self-customized study schedule plan. It gives them the access to AP-style diagnostic exam. It helps them to develop the strategies with the edge on the test day. It also helps them to review the terms and concepts that they need to score high. And what's really cool is that it goes with the practice exams on the DVD that goes in the AP Honors book. I'm excited for you guys to get started with your Advantage learning system. Have fun using those and have fun saving a lot of time in your homeworks and test prep.